Hello, everybody. Kirktown. Hello, good morning. Rob the Scalper. Hello, good afternoon. Let's see what's going on. Markets are about to open. So all right. Yeah, Friday sell could be a sell-off. Escape the Matrix is here. Hello, good morning. What's happening? Anyway, let's see. Asia low has still not been taken. We have a sell side liquidity here. 30 seconds until the open. Didn't take out the 801. I wonder how far it wants to go. Anyway, let's have some fun. 10 seconds to go. And 2 and 1, and here it comes. Market open. The market is open for business. Nothing special so far. Looking for order blocks and fair value gaps, but nothing. There is a level of liquidity here, around 555. Hey Vivian, thank God it's Friday. Yeah, let's see if it's gonna be the TGIF scenario today. I guess. There's just a 5-minute gap there. Repriced a 15-minute gap right here at midnight. Okay. This feels like an order block that could go, I mean, that starts on the 1 minute at 809. Sorry, not 800, 509. And that's it. I wonder how far is this gonna go? Okay. Went down a little bit. Yeah, it could be. It could be a London low target. Totally forgot to put it there. Yeah, there you go. At 315. I guess it can happen. A London low sweep. First gap is here. I mean, on the micro, also on the mini, it could be the first gap right here. Let's wait for it. The first gap hype. Is this gonna be the one? No, it may not be the one. Okay, it's not the one. Keegan, hey, what up? Relative equal lows. Technically. And we have that Asia low. $315. I'm in London low. I like it. Be careful with that. Could also be a trap, just like yesterday. It could be a trap. So far, we're just hovering at the same area. Nothing is happening. Gold is spiking higher. I think it just made a new all-time high. Yeah, of course. So gold just made history again. And that's it. Of course, it's too low. Of course. I'm gonna do something about it. Don't worry. I'll do something about it. By the way, London low is 100 points away. Can we go for it? It seems like it wants to go for it. I don't like this move here. Yeah, that's a good thing. That's a skill. I mean, that's even the most important skill, more important than trading, actually. Man, this is gonna drive me crazy. I can see that. I have to mess around with the sound settings. All right, all right. I get the picture. Don't worry. All right, so far. So far, nothing is happening. There's not even a first presentation gap yet. 5-minute gap up there. Just like at the micro. Oh, sorry, mini. Let's see what it wants. Seems to me it might want to go up there. Starting at somewhere around 54. Feel like it wants to go up there. It's definitely reaching out for it. If not, then this was a great trick. The greatest trick of all. Let's see. Okay, it's not doing anything so far. Repricing this 1-minute gap. And if it's not going to go up there, it might want to go for the London low. London low. I think buyers are being trapped here. It's not moving. By the way, this is the first gap on the 1-minute, it seems like. No real direction. Doesn't even want to break higher. Not sure. There's a 15-minute gap on the micro. Right at the high. It's not that important. At 43.25. But I don't see anything special there. And so far that's it. And up to that 5-minute gap. Gold is up there in the highs, and nothing is really happening. So we are at that 5-minute gap right now, and look for those highs up there. Still nothing. Impeccable trading only. Welcome. How's it going? If you really think about it, we're just in the same range. I mean, no real direction. Going higher. If we look higher, there's a 1-hour order block to the left in this area, and in the London session, it made a London high here, so we can call it London high, I guess. Actually, I'm gonna delete that level, and I'm gonna put a marker here, and let's call this London high. And if you go to the 1-hour, there's an order block. Also higher is a 50-minute order block, and previous day high, of course. But the decision, I mean the direction, still haven't been decided yet, I think. Went through that gap. This is the 3-minute. Why am I looking at 3-minute? The all famous first presentation gap is here, which I don't really care about too much right now. But it actually indicates that they might want to push it higher, above the 668, I might say. Alicia, hello, good morning. Oh yeah, news are coming. Everybody's gonna wait for that. Everybody. University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment. That's gonna be fun. And FOMC member, nice. Okay, it's gonna be fun, super funny. It's a fun day. Okay, gold is melting down from the all-time high right now, which is awesome. But there's still not much happening. Back to that gap. That 5-minute gap right there. I'm gonna put this first fair value gap here. No, let's put it inside here. Inside. Okay. Okay. So everybody's gonna wait for that. That's 100%. Not even a question. Oh, I have to flip an account here. I need to flip an account. All right, flipped it. What is the fair value gap here marked at? Oh, this is just a 5-minute gap from earlier. Nothing special. I can actually delete that. It's irrelevant. It was just a regular lonely 5-minute gap. After the open, I was curious if price is gonna go up there and take it. This is the 5-minute chart. So it did reprice it, and that's it. It filled its purpose. So now we don't need it anymore, basically. I mean, I don't need it, but if you guys want to, you can leave it there. Yeah, no problem. Currently, price is just hovering inside of this range. Everybody's waiting for the news. I think in the next couple of minutes, if somebody wants to scalp, which I'm not advising to do, it's going to reach down for that small gap that right there. Or it has a possibility, 50 points. I mean, it can do it. And that's a 1-minute gap. So far left alone. Anyway, doesn't matter. On the bigger picture, I would say this is the 1-hour chart. Here, as I marked it, we have a 1-hour order block. This is a valid order block. It starts at 778, but the London high actually poked into it. Now, what I think about this situation is that we have this previous 1-hour sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Consequent encroachment, aka the mid-level, has not been touched on that. And I think the draw on liquidity, I'm going to call it out officially now. The draw on liquidity should be 19,006. That should be the draw on liquidity after the news, I think. And I'm not saying personalized guarantee, but you know what? It's Friday. Why not? It's Friday. Who cares? There you go. That is the drawn liquidity. Right there. 19,006. I'm calling it out officially. That is gonna be the drawn liquidity. And that's it. It's gonna go there. That's my official prediction. No, I'm not. I'm not an ICT student, and I'm not a cult member, and I'm not praying for Michael's family, and but I definitely learned a lot from his videos. But I'm not an ICT cult member. Martin, hello. So my personalized guarantee is right there. 19,006. You're a cult member. Hey, there's nothing wrong with being a cult member, by the way. I said that before earlier streams. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm just not so much deep into the lectures and, you know, I listened a lot of lectures, mostly from 2022 and 2023, a lot. But lately, in the past year, I'm not so much up to date about Michael's stuff. Not even on Twitter. I saw he has the Telegram group. I'm not really up to date of what he's doing. I didn't really watch his 25 videos too much. Just like peeked into some of those. But so far, nothing special. So there's nothing wrong. I was a cult member in 22. I can say that. I can actually prove it to you that I was a cult member. I was praising his Twitter like hell. I actually wrote to him, and that was a true thing, that thank you, Michael, for putting food on the table. Because I had a nice trade, according to his trade call, and that got me to a nice payout. In 23, actually. Yeah, no nonsense time, Kirk. But I do have to get the... I have two choices here. Either I'm gonna go get the remote switch for the shaders because the sun is shining like crazy, or I'm gonna put on the sunglasses. So you guys can choose, but I have to get the switch. Yeah, love the concepts, don't marry the guy. The giveaways, Martin, it happened in London session. We had 2 giveaways. Oh, we had 2 giveaways. Yeah. $100, $50 came from Reza Banks. He was super generous, and I did another 50. Reza was here in London, but he said he's taking the day off or something. I don't know. He was super generous. We need more 50s. All right. News are coming. Let's go for that fair value gap. The official level that I'm calling out is 19,006. I'm gonna put some emoji there. Let's put some money emoji or something. Okay. That's nice. Okay, that's it. Personalized guarantee. Martin is long 435. Oh wow, nice. I'm not in a position yet, waiting for the news. If it's gonna give me a proper displacement with an entry I like, I'm gonna take it. Stop loss in profit is the best thing. Not financial advice, obviously. All right, news is out. Nothing special. Absolutely nothing special. Okay, let's see. Repricing lower, which is absolutely normal. Nothing to worry about there. Nice. Okay, so far I like what I see. I like what I see. This is looking good. Repricing a 1 minute gap here. Maybe it can go lower. My god, I'm just checking, like, that's a lot. That's like almost 450 points to the upside. Are we gonna go there? Is it gonna be a rally? All right. Maybe I should have taken a position here. Okay. Let's see. Back to the first fair value gap. Now it seems like it might want to go for London low. All right, let's wait. Gold is melting down, just like NQ. Not too much wiggle room here. It might want to go for London low first. Maybe I have to delete the personalized guarantee. Alright, what else do we have? First gap is holding the price so far. 5-minute chart looks okay. There could be a liquidity sweep lower, so I wouldn't be surprised. You're out, plus 500. I would take that any day. That's a good one. Excuse me. All right. Okay. I took a long position. Only with one micro. Let's see. Might close it. Oh man. Why am I so tired? We bounce from the sea. Yes, exactly from the middle of the first fair value gap. So I'm sitting in a long position. I don't even know how to put this. Oh, come on. Here it is. Guess what my target is? I'm targeting almost 19k. That's my target. I don't have a stop loss yet. It's only one micro. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it did start to look good. Yeah, I like the 400 point moves, you know. There's no fun in taking a 40 point move or 10 points. That's not fun. That's no fun. Oh yeah. I'm okay with the 800. Actually, I might add to it if I see more strong movement on up there, I might scale into another micro. I'll see. But that's it so far. No stop loss yet. But as I said, more than a feeling. Still a lot to go. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Why? Why is this keep happening right now? Man, it was looking so good. Well, the fun has to end sometime, right? I want to show off one time, and it's not doing what I want. Well, if you turn around, it could be the London low. Yes, absolutely. So then it's just gonna be that. Okay, I talked with the market makers, and they said it's okay. First fair value gap, yeah. It's happening. What is happening with this? Alright, going down. I guess it's gonna be London low. I might have to kill this trade. I killed it. Unfortunately. Had to kill it. It's gonna take out that London low. And I'm not in a position. Oh, come on. Oh, what is this doing here? Oh, sorry, I'm here. I'm here. So took out the London low, and who the hell knows what's gonna happen now? What is happening? What is happening? The personalized guarantee is not working right now. Maybe later. Alright. This didn't go well. As much as I wanted it, it didn't go quite well. Oh, what a shame. Next up could be Asia low, I guess. Gold might be going lower as well. So I'm looking forward to that. But on the other hand, I don't see anything. We got rejected on the upside. $130 points. Wow, what a drop. What a drop. Just like that. Your perfect trade from your they said the same sequence for short. Yeah, something like that happened actually. But the issue with this trade, I mean, it's quite similar. Yeah, that's for sure. And it took liquidity from these 5-minute gaps and then turned lower. So but now that the London low has been taken out, I'm still hopeful that it can go higher. I am still hopeful. You can win if you want. You can want. Oh, sorry. If you want it, you can win. You know. You know the song. You can win if you want. If you want it, you can win. So we're gonna win. Either way. So far, the only thing I didn't do is I haven't traded on 3 of my Apex accounts. Maybe I should have. But yesterday was a great day, so I mean, and I don't want to ruin it for Friday. I'm still having some other accounts. The Bulenox accounts are looking better. Still a lot to go. So overall, it's a good Friday for me. Let me I don't know. I'm gonna do a recap later. Okay, yeah, fine. We're doing great. Okay, here's the sweep, and seems like a market structure shift on the way. Looking for a target on the 5 minutes still, and I still like the London high. I still like the order block. I like everything up here. You're done for the day. Nice. See you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Escape the Matrix. It was good to see you. And it seems like gold wants to go higher. I'm not sure, but it does seem like that way. Hmm. Oh man. What kind of move is this on gold? I was trying to look for some kind of an entry, but it's unpredictable. Totally. Totally unpredictable. I'm looking for long here. I really want to see that London high with the order block being targeted. And actually, I'm gonna get this off here. So I'm looking for the 800s up there. I'm looking for the 800s for sure. Josh Wink, hello. What's up? So yeah. This one does look a little bit weird, especially on gold. Especially on gold. I'm not in a position. I'm flat. I can actually prove it. Positions and orders window empty. Everything is empty. I have no positions or limit orders anywhere. Still waiting. Just sitting here. After this London sweep, I'm a little bit disappointed because I still think that we are going to go up to the 800s. But if not, that's cool too. Then let's just go down all the way to Asia low. Then let's take the Asia low. I don't care. Back to the first fair value gap. Everybody loves this, I know. Let's see the reaction. Sorry, I'm gonna speak a little bit. So I'm gonna whisper. We're getting through the first fair value gap. We're gonna go through the first fair value gap. Once we get through, I'm gonna be looking for long positions. Alright? Long positions. Once we get above the first fair value gap. Hold on, let me get this thing. Once we get above the first fair value gap, we're gonna be looking for long positions. Alright? I can also speak like Christian Bale's Batman. How does he speak? I'm not the hero. No. I'm not wearing hockey pants. Or something like that. I'm not the hero God him once. But the hero that anyway. I'm not wearing hockey pants. I can't do that. Yeah. I don't know, man. I don't know, Kirk. It's something's not right on your computer. Oh my god, the sun. I don't see anything. I know what I'm gonna do, everybody. You know what's coming. You wanted this. Because the switch is not here. Oh my god, the sun. Ha! Thank you, sun. Now we're much better. Ah. Absolutely better to trade like this. I'm waiting for market structure shift. Yeah, me too. Until we are in this first fair value gap, there's not much to do. I can also go for the remote switch to pull down the shaders, but I'm just too lazy, and the sunglass was on my desk. Yeah, it is. I gotta buy a new microphone, man. I guess we have to buy a new computer for Kirk. Well, sun is shining. The weather is sweet again. It's actually really shining. Can't see anything. Oh man. Oh my god. I look like Robert Patrick from Terminator 2, I think. Closed captions? Alright. This is torture. Man, what to do? I don't know. This is all I can do for you, Kirk, right now. I mean... You can win if you want. If you want it, you can win. Da, da, da. Na, 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 na. Da, 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 da. I'm sure, Kirk. I'm positive about that, but you know, we should take a poll on this. I'm Batman. Another one. No. Swear to me. Is it closer? Swear to me. Yeah, it's better. Okay, pushing higher. If we can close above here, above midnight at least, there's a good chance we're going to have a nice fair value gap somewhere along the way that we can utilize. The sun. To move higher. Let's take this out. It doesn't matter anymore. So we are going to utilize a fair value gap. I just need to decide which account to go with. I don't really have too much choice here. I have Apex number 67 right here, ready for takeoff. Apex account number 67, brand new, ready for takeoff. I think that's gonna be the one. I hope I'm not on the mini. I don't see anything. Malo is here. Hey, 1500. Let's go. Congratulations, man. I know you could do it. I know you can do it. I knew it. All right. I am Congratulations, Mo. I know. I mean, I don't know how you're doing it really. I mean, I thought I know it, but I don't. But you are killing the market, man. You are actually killing it. Okay. I'm putting a... God, I don't see anything. I'm putting a limit buy order. I don't see where. Okay. Limit buy order at 492. I have to get the remote for this. I don't see anything. I need to get the remote. This is too much sunlight. Oh, look, it's actually right here. It's gonna be dark soon. Super dark. There you go. Nice. Oh, a little bit too dark. Oh. Whew. All right. Much better. No OnlyFans here. Trust me. All right. I think we need a little bit more light. Much better. It did not take my order. How can this be? It didn't take my order. You can win if you want. If you want it, you can win. Oh, I don't know which account is that. Okay, here it is. Ready for this? Are you guys ready for this? It's not picking up. It's not picking up the order. Look at this mother tucker. It's not picking up. Pick up my order. It's not doing it, man. Almost. Oh, it didn't go. Oh, now it picked up. Okay. Never mind. Okay. All right. All right. All right. Fair enough, NQ. All right. So where do I want it to go? Yeah, right up there. If this is not going up there, it's cool. Awesome. What the heck is wrong with you, NQ? Oh, man. It's just messed up. Oh man, what's it doing? I fell into a burning ring of fire. The price went down. I love it. I just love that. Is awesome, Trev. That's cool. I like it. Oh, that is cool. We're laughing. Actually, I'm laughing by I'm alone here. So. The ring of fire, the ring of fire, the ring of fire. I'm just gonna sing this now all day. And here's the man himself. Oh, it's too dark now. The man himself, motherfucker, is here. What's happening? Okay. What the hell is wrong with this market right now? Shorts? Let's see. I think so too. I think the 400, like, I'm just starting to realize that it did not get tagged down there on this move down. So I might even going to close this and scalp my way back to 400. Who knows? Actually, I closed this trade. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like the way it looks. Maybe I shouldn't have closed it. Anyway, too late for that now. I don't know what it wants to do. Is it gonna try to go higher or not? Not really sure about either. Da 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 da. Bum, 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 bum. You got cooked. Yeah, I closed it. Shunning the tick. That's all. That would be also a cool song. Yeah, choppy day. Overall in the green, but I don't know. This price action is just really not something I would like to participate in. But I'll try to do my best. I like to go long for sure, especially after this fiasco here in this first fair value gap. I don't know why it's so much attached to this. I like to go to the 800s as soon as possible, but it's not going. Oh, nice. 70 points. Wow. That is awesome. So I'm still looking for longs. That's what I'll try to do. But it keeps on going lower. If we hit the 800, hold that to 20,044. All right. Sounds like a plan. I'm okay with it. If we hit that. Why am I so tired? I'm so tired. Ooh, what is this? What? Micro just froze down. What was this? The mini was going, but the micro just got freezed. Okay. Boner, that's the real, or as Methodical Man says, lightsaber candle. Or well, it's not a lightsaber yet. We need a bigger wick here. Where is a lightsaber candle? Here's a lightsaber candle. This one, I think. Not sure. I don't know. It swept some orders for sure. Yeah. Exactly, Naomi. The market is it's destroying everybody now. Look at this. Sweeping the highs there and then going lower. Guys, if someone can make money in these kind of markets, especially since the 9:30 open, then you're good. Then consider yourself talented if you can make money in this. Yeah. Oh, the Fed guy is talking. Oh, yeah. Totally forgot. Oh, he can be saying anything crazy. Although he should be avoiding questions about inflation and recession without Powell. Exactly. Yeah, I'm not gonna destroy. So here's my take for the day, my recap. So overall, I have an Apex account here. I made almost $51. This counts as a trading day for this Apex account. I would like to get a payout from this next week. So this is at 3,422. I don't know how much days I need. Maybe I need 1 or 2 more days. I wanted to go for the 2,000, but we'll see. And so that's ready for payout. No trade on this other new Apex. This one today made $753. So that's a good one, but I was scalping like an idiot. This other Apex, no trades, no trades. The Bulenox accounts made about $160 each, getting closer to payout level, still at 2,300 this one. This is at 2,500, made 170 on this one, copy traded 170 on this one. This is close to 3,000 now, so it's looking good. The DAYTRADERS account managed to make another $200 day. Hopefully next week I'm going to be able to request $2,000. That's going to be awesome if I can make it. Of course, we are going to make it. And Funded Futures Network evals are a little bit up, above $2,000, both evals. I was down on this. So again, I'm recovering. And also, I'm recovering on the MyFundedFutures account again. So only at 49,166 today. I made 929 because I was down again yesterday. The other ones I haven't traded on. I have a new Take Profit Trader Pro account ready. I just needed to flip it. So overall, I'm good for the day. I don't want to give anything back. I don't want to ruin the weekend, you know. We must have a weekend with good feelings. Yes, you can trade Take Profit Trader during Fed. Yes. I mean, with this guy you can. With Powell, I'm not sure, but this guy is just an NPC, so you can trade while he speaks. I know why you asked it. Oh, my personalized guarantee. I should delete that. I was so sure that we're gonna go to 19,006. I'm still kind of attached to the idea that we can go for it. Kind of like it. Let me make a phone call. All right, I'm here. Next week will be crazy for crypto. Lawsuit, Ripple coming. Ripple coming to an end? What? Really? What is happening with Ripple? That's XRP, right? What is happening with Ripple? I do have the chart here somewhere. This is the Ripple chart. Let's go to the weekly. Whoa. Whoa. And this was happening since, this year. So Ripple, this is Telcoin. So Ripple is coming to an end? Or, the trial is coming to an end. But I heard that Ripple is actually, some good news were happening around Ripple. Oh, man. Demo break even. Well, this day is absolutely going to be one of the craziest days so far. Not the craziest. I take it back. We've seen more craziness happening earlier this year. Yeah. Yeah, I was looking for that too, man. It's just going down. Yeah, exactly. Was hoping for something similar. There is a possible long opportunity on NQ by my indicators, but that doesn't mean horseshit. As long as these things are not lining up. No structure shift, picked up liquidity. What the hell is going on with this first fair value gap? I never know. Yeah, it's dirty. Exactly, Naomi. The Bazaar Master. Bazaar Master. Hello there. Welcome back. Welcome. Gold is absolutely insane with these historical highs, by the way. Yeah. Yeah, everybody's waiting for a big move. Nobody knows what to do. Exactly. Honestly, on sessions are way better. Yeah, it's a real tricky one. I think we're going for 37. Small gap here. 36. Taking liquidity on that gap. Should be going for that 36 liquidity, in my opinion. I think it took it, right? The low here was 34.25, 34.50. It didn't go for the low, by the way. Did the mini go for it? The mini did go for it. Okay, so that's been. Anyway, one window of opportunity for a short. Yeah. I mean, nobody should. I mean, guys, don't blame yourselves if you missed an opportunity because this is just crazy. It should go through 35, just saying. It has to. You know, no other way. And it did. Ba-da-ba-ba. I get 1K. Whoa. Hey. $1,000 on your pro account. Kirk. I'm quiet. I'm just relaxed. Actually, I'm super tired, to be honest with you guys. I am super tired. Very tired. This was a long week for me. I was like all over the place all week. I mean IRL, not just trading. It was a super duper strong and busy week for me. New pros still need 3.5K. That's also, I mean, that you're gonna get it, but hey, still 1K on a day on a pro account, that's absolutely awesome. Man, I gotta get a starter plus account until it's on a discount from MyFundedFutures. I gotta get one of those. 25% off. I need to get one. Just to make sure. Exactly, Kirk. Yeah. The personalized guarantee so far is not working out. I might have to delete the VOD after this. But I still feel like we still have time. So PM session can still happen. But it would be like so way far out there. 600 points. I mean, NQ can do whatever. Oh, well, that's a good question. That's a good question, Bizarre Master. Oh yeah, if Trump is gonna start to tweet, then we're done. Yeah. I know what you meant. Yeah. Well, who knows? Exactly, impeccable trading. When we have this shit action in AM session, then usually even the lunch hour or PM session will have, I mean, statistically speaking, should be having a nice move. So we can expect something in the lunch hour maybe. $308 hit because of one of his tweets. Oh! But hey, at least you stopped the bleeding. on my end, it seems like that no, never mind. My indicators were showing a possible move to the upside, but never mind. It's not moving. It's not moving. Oh man. I was really waiting for a reversal here to the upside, of course. It's not happening. The tariff pause. Oh, that was crazy. Yeah. Everybody, I'm gonna call it here. I'm super tired. I'm gonna call it here. I can't take any trades more. I'm green on the day. I am happy about it. I'm super happy for it. So, Bazaar Master, thank you for joining us. I'm sorry if I was a little bit tired or quiet, but I'm just super tired. I'll be back for Monday. And what can I say to you all? I had a great week. Thanks to everybody. And if you would like to support the stream, you know, the best code out there for prop firms is Tom Sabo. It not just brings you the best pass rate, but it brings you luck. I need to get a commercial somewhere. Anyway, thank you for the support. God bless you all. One of those, yeah. It's gonna be a night for me soon. So thank you, everybody. I really enjoyed the week. Thank you for all the support and the love. I'll be back for a Monday London session, as always. And hope to see you guys there. And what can I say? Take care. Be safe on Friday PM session if you trade. I'm gonna take a shower and maybe have a power nap or something. I don't know. God bless you all. See you, ladies and gents, on Monday. All right. Cheers, everybody.